Here are 3 laws of the universe that you need to know. Law 1, the law of attraction. What you constantly think about, you attract. So if you're thinking negative thoughts, you will attract negativity into your life. But if you choose to focus on positive beliefs and positive thoughts, you will attract positive things into your life. Opportunities, people, experiences. It's not magic. Your brain literally filters reality based on your dominant thoughts. So if you want to change your reality, you have to first change your thoughts. And I talk more about how to do that in this video right here. But for now, I want you to remember this. You are the creator of your own reality. And if you don't like your reality, it's time to start thinking different. Law, no. 2, the law of least effort. The universe always takes you to the place of least effort. So if you're feeling stuck, it probably means there's an easier way to do what you're trying to do. And law, no. 3, the law of polarity. Every ending is actually a new beginning in disguise. So if something ends, it's not the end. It's simply a new beginning. And I'll talk more about this in my video on how to deal with the loss of a loved one.